So, last week I was in a deep depression, or the week before I was in a deep depression. I went to see my therapist on Monday, and I was saying, look, I can't come back to UTMB because, um, you know, of what happened at the orthopedics. And she looked up my records, and she's like, he may have said those things to you in the office, but what he wrote down in black and white was that you went there because of a needle and you were in pain. The truth is, when it comes to nerves, I was in pain because of nerve problems. And when it comes to nerves, the truth is, I think only a neurologist can help me. But I do need that MRI. Even if I do the occupational therapy, they're gonna have to pay for it. So this person I'm talking to now, there's another person in black and white saying that that was the reason, and and then I talked to my doctor, like I said I was going to do, and she read me her response. She did not deny it. In her response, she told her, she went to get a needle. She said this is what happened, and yes, I agree, this does happen, and even sent her articles, medical articles. So this person is lying to me left and right and has not gotten back to me. My therapist, told me, don't go calling lawyers just yet. Now that you have this information, you need to talk to them again. I called and she hasn't called back. So I think I'm going to shoot over an email and, you know, I'll give it a little bit more time. But so yeah, so that was such a huge relief off of me. My doctor did give me the refills for the meclizine and the diclofenac. I have been in so much pain these past 3 days. I'm not. I think it's because I was driving all day, Monday. So yeah, so I'm glad about the fact that I really believe these people have no leg to stand on, because now I got more black and white for them to see that yes, they're saying it was their fault. So so I'm gonna wait a little while longer.